Creativepeak precision brush pens come in a range of beautiful vivid colours. The 12-pack has a variety of colours that are perfect for creating rainbow lettering. To create the rainbow lettering, you'll need to use the refillable water brush pen that's included in the 12-pack. Because we're going to be using water, it's a good idea to use watercolour paper. This will make it easier to blend the colours. Start out by lettering the word rainbow, making sure you swap colour every time you create a new letter. As you can see, the colours are in an order that will make them easy to blend with each other. For example, yellow blends nicely to orange and purple blends nicely to blue. Now it's time for the blending. Make sure your water brush pen is wet, but only slightly. We're only blending a small part of the text, so you don't need too much water. You may need to go back in with the pens to blend the colours out more and make it pop. The water brush makes it so easy to blend these colours together. This rainbow lettering is bright and bold, but you could always simplify it too and just use a few colours.